Good day, viewers. Today, we want to consider equation with fraction. We need to clear the fractions before collecting the like times. So that simply means that we have to multiply both sides of the equation by the LCM of the denominator of the fraction. Let's solve question 1. We have 4 over 3 is equals to 2x over 15. We need to multiply both sides by the LCM. And the LCM of 3 and 15 here is 15. So we are going to have 15 times 4 over 3 is equals to 15 times 2s over 15. 15 we eliminate 15 here, 3 here 1, 3 here 5. 5 times 4 will give us 20. Then 1 times 2s will give us 2s. Don't forget that we can also write it as 2s is equals to 20 because right hand side is equals to left hand side. Then we are going to divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. Then we are going to have s to be equals to 20 over 2. 2 eliminates 2 here, so therefore s is equals to 10. Let's solve question 2. We have 5s minus 8 over 2 is equals to 2s over 1. So we are going to multiply both sides by the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So we are going to have 2 times 5s minus 8. We are going to put it in bracket because it is an example of expression. So we have 2 times 2s. 2 eliminates 2 here. So we are going to have 5s minus 8. 2 times 2s will give us 4s. Then we are going to collect like times. So we are going to have 5s minus 4s is equals to 8. By the time 4s comes to the other side of the equation, it's going to be minus 4. And when minus 8 goes to the other side of the equation, it's going to be plus. 5s minus 4s will give us s is equals to 8. Let's solve question 3. We have s over 2 plus 3s over 4 is equals to 5. So we are going to multiply both sides by the LCM. And the LCM of 2, 4, and 1 here is 4. So we are going to have 4 times s over 2. We are going to multiply 4 by each expression, by each variable. So we are going to have 4 times 3s over 4 is equals to 4 times 5 over 1. 4 we eliminate 4 here, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. 2 times s will give us 2s plus 1 times 3s will give us 3s. Then 4 times 5 will give us 20. We are going to have 2s plus 3s which will give us 5s is equals to 20. And s is equals to 20 over 5 which will give us 4. Let's solve question 4. We have 4y plus 3 over 5 is equals to y plus 3 over 2. So we are going to multiply both sides. Multiply both sides by the LCM. And the LCM of 5 and 2 here is 10. Don't forget. So we are going to have 10 multiplied by, don't forget that we are going to put this 4y plus 3 in bracket because it is an expression. Over 5 is equals to 10 times, we are still going to put this y plus 3 in bracket as well because it is an example of an expression. So 2 here 1, 2 here 5, 5 here 1, 5 here 2. So we are going to have 2 into bracket 4y plus 3 is equals to 5 into bracket y plus 3. Then we are going to remove the bracket. Remove the bracket. And by the time we remove the bracket, that means we are going to use this to multiply the element within the bracket here. Then we are going to use this 5 to multiply the element within the bracket here. 2 times 4y will give us 8y. 2 times 3 will give us 6. 5 times y will give us 5y. 5 times plus 3 will give us plus 15. Then the next step to take is to collect like times. Collect like times. Then we are going to have 8y minus 5y is equals to 15 minus 6. Don't forget that when 5y comes to the other side of the equation here, it will be minus, and when plus 6 goes to the other side of the equation, it will also be minus. So 8y minus 5y will give us 3y, 15 minus 6 will give us 9. Then we are going to divide both sides by 3, which is the coefficient of s. So we are going to have 3y over 3 is equals to 9 over 3. Then y will be equals to 3. Then let's solve question 5, which is the last but not the least. We have 3y, we have 3 into brackets, we have 3 into bracket 2m minus 1 over 4 minus 5 into brackets m plus 5 over 6 is equal to 0. The first step that we need to take, we have 3 into bracket 2m minus 1 over 4 minus 5 into bracket m plus 5 over 6 is equals to 0. So we are going to multiply both sides by the LCM, and the LCM here is 12. The LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So we are going to have 12 times 3 into bracket 2m minus 1 over 4 minus 12 times 5 into bracket m plus 5 over 6 is equals to 12 times 0. 6 here 1, 6 here 2, 4 here 1, 4 here 3. So 3 times 3 here will give us 9 into bracket 2m minus 1 minus 2 times 5 here will give us 10 into bracket m plus 5, and 12 times 0 here will give us 0. So we are going to remove the brackets. Remove the brackets. And when we remove the brackets, we are going to use 9 to multiply the element within the brackets here. Then we are going to use minus 10 to multiply the element within the brackets here. 9 times 2m will give us 18m, minus 9 times 1 will give us 9, minus 10 times m will give us minus 10m, minus 10 times plus 5 will give us minus 50 is equals to 0. Then we are going to collect like times. And don't forget that when you want to collect the like times, you are going to carry it with the sign in its front. So we are going to have 18m minus 10m minus 9 minus 50 is equals to 0. 18m minus 10m will give us 8m, minus 9 minus 50 will give us minus 59 is equals to 0. And by the time minus 59 goes to the other side of the equation, we are going to have 8m is equals to 59, and m is equals to 59 over 8. And since we cannot divide this without having remainder, we are going to leave our answer in a mixed fraction. How many 8 we see in 59? That's 7. 8 times 7 will give us 56. So we are going to have 7 whole number 3 over 8. Thank you. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel.